Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe. I post on Wednesdays and Saturdays at 6 p.m. Great British time. And if you subscribe today or have already subscribed, I really appreciate each and every one of you. So thank you very much. So in today's video, I am going to be upcycling my Birchbox box. Now, I did this last month. If you want to check out that video, the link will be in the description box down below. I have stopped my Birchbox subscription for now, but I have the last 9 months worth of boxes, so I'm going to be doing my upcycling on them. Today, I am going to upcycle my Birchbox box into a jewellery box, mainly for like earrings and rings, stuff like that, but you could do it for anything you wanted. The one I have picked today is this one, which is the super cute pink and yellow pastel colours with the purple in it too, and I'm hoping that I can match it up with the colours I want to. So you'll need a box. You'll also need a pair of scissors. These are my fabric Fishgar scissors. I have got fabric glue, but you'll also need a glue gun. I've got a tape measure just in case. And then I've got a whole bag here of felt. And this is what you're going to pick. So you just need to pick about 3 or 4 different colours out what you want to use. This has already been used, but if you have got new stuff, that's perfect too, but you can use stuff that has been used as well. So I'm just going to pick out 3 or 4 colours. These are quite bright, so I'm going to use that. And I just saw one, but I don't think it's big enough. No, it's not. I don't know if that. I love this. It's got glitter in it. I don't think it picks it up on camera, but it's not, well, it might be big enough for one, just. So if not, I will use white. So I'm going to show you now how to make this, and I hope you enjoy. So let's begin. So first of all, you need to take the lid off your box and take the foam out. That's all I've got left in that box, because obviously I've used everything else. And you need to measure your felt to the longest side of your box, and you need to cut out. So it needs to be in a circle roll, basically. I'll show you what I mean. So this is pretty much the right size. So you may need a pencil, which I'll get now. So with a pencil and the wrong side of the felt, if you measure it to what it is, you just draw a line down, which is what I'm doing now. And then you just take your scissors and rough cut it into a roll. So I'm just going to cut that off so I know that's the right edge. And then if you roll it, you can see that that's a roll. So that is where I need to cut. And then really I could get 2 out of, I can't because of that, but you're only going to see the top bit, so as long as you can fit it in. So I might do another one out of that, I'm not sure. I'm just going to cut it just in case. So then with the others you need to do that too. So just bearing in mind that you're going to do that and stick it in, you'll work out how many you need. So I might have to do another one of these, I'm not sure, but we'll go through it and see. So now I'm going to do some white. And again, you don't need to measure it now because you've got this one roughly cut out. Okay, so now all of my pieces are cut out. I'm going to work out the pattern that I want to use to make it into what I want it. So I'm just going to lay them out. Obviously there's only one of the middle ones, so that is going to be the middle colour. So like so, and then you literally just roll it up and stick it along. I'm going to glue it along one side, roll it up, stick it together, and then glue it along. You probably can use fabric glue, but I have got my glue gun here too, which I'll have to move locations to glue, but I'm going to try with the fabric glue first. So you just start with one end and roll it. So I'm going to start with the white and my glue. Whoa. And then roll it up. You probably can't see the white very well saying that, so I should have started with a different colour, but never mind. And then it will fit in the box, or if it doesn't you just need to trim the ends down, but it will go in there like so. But just keep it, hold it together for a little bit so it just dries. So then put it to one side and do it again. So once they are all rolled, minus that one in the middle that will not go, but I'll get it to stick somehow in the middle, you need to put them in your box. Now when I tried and put one in, it wasn't, it went too low for my liking. So I'm going to put the foam back in the bottom of the box just for a layer to keep it a little bit higher. And then I'm literally going to place these in just to make sure that they fit and how many I need. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to glue them in place now so they don't move about. I am going to just use my fabric glue. If that doesn't seem to work and I want to glue down the edges here and this side, I will then go to my hot glue gun. But if you haven't got a fabric glue but you've got a glue gun, it will work, or vice versa, it will work equally the same. So I'm going to just go through this now and glue them all together, then stick them in this box as I go. So I'll start one end and glue as I go along. So I left this for a while, actually had lunch in between, but it should be dry now. I'd have really loved the colour inside it. It's kind of fairy-ish, unicorny, kind of. So I have brought here with me into my living room this is what I wear every day mainly, like what I go between. So I don't have much in the way of jewellery. Obviously I make jewellery, but I am selling that. But just to show you, I'm going to put my everyday stuff in here, just to show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like up close. Obviously you can fit much more in than that, but that is literally the earrings I had in the pot. And my 2 rings, which I wear every day. So I think it's pretty cute, and obviously if you're going on a holiday and stuff like that, it's a nice way to display what you've got to wear jewellery wise, and choose what you would like to wear. So this is really cute, I really like this one. And that's it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment down below what you would upcycle your Birchbox into, or if you would do it into a jewellery box like me. And please also subscribe, push the notification bell to see when I post, and thanks for watching. Bye!